Find the value of a if 5 raised to the power a plus 5 raised to the power a equals 100. Let's carefully solve this. On the left side, we have 5 to the power a plus 5 to the power a. Since both terms are the same, it's just like saying x plus x equals 2x. So this becomes 2 times 5 raised to the power a. Now our equation is 2 multiplied by 5 to the power a equals 100. To make it simpler, divide both sides by 2. That gives 5 to the power a equals 50. Here comes the interesting part. The variable a is in the exponent. How do we bring it down? We use logarithms. Take logarithm on both sides. Log of 5 to the power a equals log of 50. Now, there is an important property. Log of x raised to y equals y times log of x. Applying this, we get a times log of 5 equals log of 50. To isolate a, divide both sides by log of 5. A equals log of 50 divided by log of 5. This is already a valid answer. But let's simplify it further. Notice that 50 can be written as 5 squared times 2. So log of 50 becomes log of 5 squared plus log of 2, which is the same as 2 times log of 5 plus log of 2. Now place this back into our formula. A equals 2 times log of 5 plus log of 2 divided by log of 5. We can separate the terms. A equals 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus log of 2 divided by log of 5. The first part simplifies perfectly. 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 5 equals 2. And the second part stays as log of 2 divided by log of 5. Now, remember another property. Log of x divided by log of y equals log base y of x. So, log of 2 divided by log of 5 becomes log base 5 of 2. Finally, we have a equals 2 plus log base 5 of 2.